Hello friends, welcome to MS Excel Expert. Today, we have an interesting video on MS Excel. If you enter any data, then a barcode will be generated automatically. Similarly, we can also create a QR code for any website, mobile number, or text message. First, you have to do one thing: convert your input data to text format. Select the data, then press Shift plus down arrow key, then press Ctrl+1. Then select as text. It is important to select it as text. There is no specific formula for doing it. Use the formula for joining text. Follow the process. Type the formula as the result cell. Select your barcode column data and go to the Change Font option. Then select the barcode font, pre-installed. Now, we will learn how to create a QR code. Go to the Insert option and then use the My Add-ins option. If you do not find any QR code add-ins, then search for QR code in the store. Search for QR code, then you will find the QR code. Click on QR for Office and click on the Add button. Then continue. After clicking, you will get the QR for Office dialog box on the right side of your screen. Here, you just type whatever you want. If you want to make a QR code for Google, then select the URL option and then type www.google.com. Then click on the Insert button. Your Google barcode is ready. If you think this QR code is fake, then take out your mobile from your pocket and open the scanner app, pre-installed / you can install it from the app or Play Store. You can scan it, and then the YouTube website will be opened. Similarly, you can make a QR code for anything. You can also change the color. You can copy-paste this image file anywhere. You can make a QR code for a mobile number also. Select the Tell option. You can add any mobile number. Now, you can see the QR code. This task is very simple. You can scan the code. How did you find this video? Please comment below. Thank you for watching.